Are you still struggling to figure out where exactly do you lay your hands to make money on this internet space? Then don't worry. This is the video that you would have watched about 5, 6 years ago that would have shaped your life to a very, very beautiful life that you're looking up to. Yes, making money online can look very, very complicated when you're just starting because there is so much noise on the internet space. The problem is not really the noise. The problem is you are going to try those things, you are going to get distracted, and by the time you try it, they will fail. You will fail because there are certain things you never understood about life. Yes, you have grown to a certain stage, but you didn't really understand it. I'm going to give it you back to back in this particular video, give you the detailed breakdown. If you ever ask yourself why you have to spend a minimum of 1 full year in a classroom, or you have to spend a minimum of 2 to 3 years in a particular job just to get a little percent increment in salary, then this is what the same thing is what is playing out on this internet space when it comes to making money online. The primary purpose why you are trying it and you are failing it is because you are not yet committed. Yes. You have to move from this stage of I am interested to now being I am committed. Yes. Nobody will reward you for just being interested. That is why when you go on social media, you see a lot of comments, I'm interested, I'm interested, I'm interested. But those who make these things at the end of the day are those who are committed. So you have to move from this stage of being interested to being committed. So this is the reality that you need to be aware of. That means for you to be committed, it means you need to be very, very focused. You need to stay away from all those noise. You need to stay in one place, just like you're trying to start a business. You cannot be selling shoe today, tomorrow you are selling food, next tomorrow you are selling clothes. You will fail woefully in that business. You need to stay committed, get a very nice location, invest all the necessary that you can invest, and then build it over time. The same thing plays out on this internet space. But going through the process and not knowing what exactly to start with is always another big problem for a lot of people. I've been in that shoe before. I've watched thousands of videos online. I've tried out a lot of things, they never work. But this is the proven template that will really help you succeed. First, I'm going to make sure I want you to give affiliate marketing a try. Yes, ignore all the noise you've heard about affiliate marketing before. The reason is this: most people don't understand affiliate marketing very well, so they get charged money to learn affiliate marketing. So at the end of the day, the people who teach them affiliate marketing tell them to go and recommend this same affiliate marketing course to other people. Then when they buy those courses, they believe that by buying the course is enough to make them money. Then they repeat the cycle, then they fail. Then they now begin to feel like affiliate marketing is a scam. Let me tell you, affiliate marketing is not a scam. I'm actually speaking for myself. Because you went and paid a course to learn affiliate marketing and you didn't start making money, that doesn't mean it's a scam. That doesn't mean it failed. The reason is this: you went there with the wrong mindset. You went there with the mindset of looking money rather than looking for knowledge. You see, knowledge, there's a strong relationship between knowledge and money. That is one thing you need to understand. You see, if everybody knows what you know, nobody will pay you money for you to do it for them. So money is a reward for solving people's problems. So that means what you learn in that particular course, if truly you are committed, as I said, to learning what was offered to you in that course, whether it's a PDF or a whatsoever, and you implemented it, trust me, you would have gone far by now. This is why it didn't work. You need to understand that money is a reward for solving people's problem. This problem can be solved with giving them either a product, a service, or anything that you can think of. This product can be in form of your own skill, your own digital skill, or your own physical skill, or your own whatsoever that you can think of. And then for you to give them to identify where to get these people, you must make a sale. And you cannot make a sale without driving traffic to this particular product. So this is the reality that you must accept. That is why I said you have to be committed about this. Then this is where the money that you are looking for comes into play, because by the time you drive traffic, this traffic will transform into sales, and then you use your necessary skill, which I'm going to break down for you, to now get this money. Now, in was learning affiliate marketing was one of the best things I will tell you that I have got to learn on this internet space, because I attended a very, very powerful course online. The course was hosted in Amsterdam, and that was the beginning of the transformation for me on this internet space. because I did online survey. At the end of the day, I was becoming frustrated because what I was making from that online survey was nothing to write home about. It's not that bad completely, but I keep imagining if I should do this for the next 10 years of my life, I will not even go anywhere that far. But learning affiliate marketing got me to a point that I got to understand that it's a very, very powerful skill that if you want to make money online, you need to know it. Irrespective of whatsoever you want to make on this internet space, whether you want to do freelancing, you want to do content creation, you want to do affiliate marketing. See, affiliate marketing remain the best if you are a beginner who doesn't have any skill yet. Because the reason is this: you need to understand how the system works, and knowing how the system works, the only secret that where they will expose you to this is through affiliate marketing. Because this is what you are going to learn in affiliate marketing. If you really pay attention to what they are teaching you and you implement it, this is the breakdown of what you learn. You will learn how to identify product, because every day there is a minimum of about 1 billion people on the internet space. Yes, that was what gave me the courage to go into what I'm doing now. 1 million people or 1 billion people on the internet space every blessed day, and these 1 billion people, they have one problem or the other. That means if you can target them by giving them, identifying the problems they have and giving them a solution, that is, you identify these people that have this problem and you offer them, recommend a solution to them, they will buy and you will get your own commission from it. So the reason is this: why you need affiliate marketing is, if you are just starting, it's going to be you need to take a minimum of 6 months to 1 year to learn a skill. If you want to go through the so many noise that goes on the internet, I tell you, you can start this making it. You need to learn a minimum of 1 year to 6 months to learn a skill, whether graphic design, video editing, whatsoever. You will still also need a minimum of 6 months to 1 year to learn how to market yourself if you want to get high paying client. I'm not capping. That is a bitter truth that you must be aware. This is why a lot of people go, they start and they fail. Now, you will now see that the overall goal of everything you are doing in the internet space revolve around traffic generation, which is sales and marketing. Without this sales and marketing skill, let me tell you, you can be the most talented human being on earth, and trust me, poverty will kill you. Yes, you are going to die poor. But with proper sales and marketing skill, even when you are growing that skill, you will get clients. I'm speaking from experience. And you can even partner with your friends that are already doing this thing well. While they do it, you carry the lion's share. That is how they play this game, which is almost like affiliate marketing. Because you need to understand that money is a reward that you get for solving people's problems. This can come in diverse ways. So while affiliate marketing has remained very, very important, these are the key things that you're going to learn when you are learning affiliate marketing. You are going to learn how to generate traffic, which is the overall goal. And in generating traffic, you cannot generate traffic anyhow. And you are going to learn how to identify product. Even if you are getting the affiliate link, you cannot just copy it and be pasting it anyhow. Because let me show you my simple dashboard here, one of my dashboards here. I'm going to show you something here. When I come here, you can see I've generated a traffic of about 301,000 views in the last 28 days on this particular Facebook handle. And you can see this is what we call event. Now you will see what this translates into. This 301,000 traffic, I've moved about, let me scroll down so that you see. Let me scroll down. I have moved about 2,600 of them to my product page, and about 2,000 of them view the content. About 583 of them add to cart. About 173 initiate checkout. So this is the power of what you learn in affiliate marketing. All these things that I'm showing you now, they are things that it was during affiliate marketing that I know them. And because of the difficulty in creating products, that is why I recommend affiliate marketing. And when you learn this, by the time you create your own product, you'll be able to do exactly like this and then make tons of sales as you proceed. That is how you play the smart game. You must not always about promoting other people's product. So let me go back now to break the skill necessary for you. What you learn is, in the process of learning affiliate marketing, you are going to learn copywriting. And then in learning this copywriting, you learn email marketing, you learn social media marketing. These are skills that you must know. whether you want to do freelancing. If you must succeed, you must know these things because you cannot escape it. You need to put yourself out there. People must know you. There is a strong relationship between popularity and money now. It's not like those days that they will tell you, you just be a good product owner and then people will identify you. Know, nobody will know you if you don't put yourself out there. You are going to learn content creation, which is exactly what I'm doing on this particular handle now that I just showed you. You are going to learn content creation, which is exactly what I'm doing on this Facebook handle. And then I produce content for my own stuff. Then I drive the traffic to this. So this content creation can come in diverse way where you are going to learn how to make content creation. You can learn blogging, how you blog on blog posts on social media platform like Medium, creating your own blog. You are going to learn vlogging, video posting videos on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and the rest of them. You are going to learn graphic design. All this, that is the power of affiliate marketing, because in the process they are going to expose you to graphic design that you need a very catchy image that will get people's attention in your post. Let me show you an example. You see on this particular platform I have posted about 139 posts. Let me click one of the posts so that you see. You get to see what I did. I got a very catchy image. You can see the heading. You are going to learn SEO optimization, how you title things in a way that will get people's attention. When you come down, you now see how I created this perfect image of a product that I'm trying to promote. That is it. That is the power of affiliate marketing. Now I'm using it to do a lot of things. You are going to learn how to run ads. There are situations where when you post online, you will not really get much traffic the way you want, but the product you want to really get a lot of traffic to it. You will get to learn how to run ads. Running ads is very important in every business, because in running ads, you get to learn how to optimize your ad to make sure that you get the very best by doing what we call A/B testing. By making a post of the same product in different ways, like 4 or 5, then picking the one that is generating a lot of reaction on them. When you push that one up, it gives you more traffic to where you want them to go. I've talked about SEO optimization. You are going to learn landing page creation. Let me go, for example, I'm going to show you an example of a landing page. So this is a sample of an email copy that was sent to me. This person is trying to drive traffic to a product he's selling. Let me click one of the links so that you see 2025 feature of email, 2025 feature of marketing summit. Let me click it. You get to see what the landing page will look like. The page is going to load. So this is an example of a landing page when we are talking about digital products. The case of digital product, physical product can also do the same. You see the feature of marketing